Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get this amazing application that has it all. It has free top-class movies and TV shows, pretty much everything that you would see in the cinema. I just had to blur out my screen here because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact movies available in the app, but trust me, you are going to like it. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get the app to your device. So first of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. It's actually free to get from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device, click on that magnifying glass right here, then go to the search bar and start typing Downloader in the search. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which we need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. Here they are, click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here you have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. So just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only the apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. And there it is, open it. And there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use. However, before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Iceland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. Now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So go back to the list of apps on your device, open up the Downloader, wait until it loads. Then here on the left side menu, it's really important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, you have to click on Home, and then here in that search bar, we need to enter a code, which is going to be 28907. and 7. So once again, the whole code is 28907, and then you have to click on Go. Now, in a couple of moments, the website is going to open up, and while it loads, you should subscribe my channel for more content on Firesticks, and of course hit the like button below this video to help us develop the channel and get even more content like that for you. Now, when the website opened, we just scroll down a bit until we see a list of categories. And from the list, we have to click on Movies and TV. So we click on it, then a huge list of apps is going to open up for us. We just have to scroll down until we find an app called Nova TV. So let's scroll down some more. And yep, there's the app we're looking for, Nova TV. You can see the name of the app on your screen. That's exactly the app we are looking for. So we click on it. Then some kind of ad might open up for you. If it does pop up, do not click on open here because that would mess everything up for you. Instead, click on close to close down the ad. And then a new web page should open up. Let's wait a bit. Yep, here it is, already loading for us. Then we have to scroll down once again. Keep scrolling until you see that download button right here. That's exactly the button we have to use. Click on it, and now we should wait until the download starts. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, it's pretty fast. Then we have to click on install, and now wait until Nova TV is installed to our Firestick device, or Android TV, whatever device you are using. After that, do not rush and do not click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because here we have an option to delete the installation file, as we really don't need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we are saving up some space on our Fire Stick, and that's important because we don't really have too much of free space on our devices. Then finally go to the list of apps on your device, and there it is, open it. Now you have to scroll down, locate Nova TV at the very bottom, and from here I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way Nova TV is going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Once again, use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of service totally for free. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.